While I'm cooking some pasta, I'm gonna answer the question from Jose, who's asking me, hey, what do you think about investing in Sandbox and in other coins that are part of the metaverse right now, and specifically because the price has going up like crazy. And I'm gonna tell Jose what is happening now and what you should be thinking in order to be very smart with all those investments. Because when you think about Sandbox, when you're thinking about Mana, when you think about Decentraland, all these were part of very successful coins back in 2021. What happened is that as soon as Donald Trump won, all of those are starting to go up. And there are three elements for this trend. Number one, a lot of people entering into what is called retail, what are they doing is like they go to TikTok and they just search how to buy, how to invest in crypto. Then they just go to different apps. So they can go normally, Coinbase, it doesn't have many coins or memes to invest. Robinhood is growing a lot. Now Revolut is offering. So some of them that go to the traditional decentralized exchange or centralized exchange such as Binance, BitGet, and other ones. And some others are trying to experiment with decentralized exchange, but they're not pretty good on that. For example, there's one very interesting called Moonshot that you can just download and is listing in a very simple way new tokens. So the process of many people when they're seeing Bitcoin, so they see Bitcoin and they say, wow, Bitcoin is almost $100,000. And one Bitcoin is $100,000. Why I should buy that? Imagine, this is the logic that these people are doing. My pasta is getting great. And now they go down and say, oh, what about Ethereum? Oh, Ethereum past $3,500, a lot. What about Solana? $235. And they go down, they go down, they go down. They scroll down literally. Dear Jose, people are literally just scrolling down to see what kind of coins they could buy that look like a lot. And this is called the unit cost bias. That's it. So many people that don't know anything about investment or crypto, they're just literally going down and saying, oh, this one is gonna offer me 1,000 coins, 10,000 coins, like a lot. The number is like a lot. So when they put $100 and they get thousands of that coin, they just run this number. Oh, what will happen if this coin goes to the same price as Bitcoin? Imagine, that's the logic. They're not calculating market cap. They don't know anything about market cap. They don't know anything about realities of the market. They don't know anything about utility. And that proves that, yes, a lot of part that drives crypto is speculation. And that's the nature of the game, you know. Most coins are driven by speculation. Other ones are driven by utility. And other ones are driven by utility and speculation. So in a specific question on Sandbox, Decentraland, and for example, one that I would recommend you to check called Superverse, they're drive because they're building technology. Yeah. Right now, not so many people use Sandbox or Decentraland. No, like reality, they don't. But having a market cap of just $1 billion and being an established coin, well, when we have a bull run, they can just grow much higher. So a coin that has a $1 billion market cap and it has history and it has been used in some way or others, when a bull market comes, it can go another 5x. That could happen. But also you could get trapped. That's the problem. So for example, I did a video doing an analysis on XRP and Ripple. Specifically Ripple breaking $2.5, but still Ripple hasn't reached the all-time high of $3.4. And a lot of people that bought Bitcoin in the all-time high, they had to wait 3-4 years in order to get back that money. So that's the issue. So my advice, always build a portfolio. And always when you're entering into these positions, I call it the coins that people hate. Like for example, Cardano. They hate them. They have, I don't know, a strong negative sentiment on Twitter, but people always talk about Cardano and ADA. Even though Cardano and ADA don't have many utility, even though the price can go 3, 5, or even 10x. That's the nature of the market. So my advice for you, dear Jose, is to think between the period of 2021 till 2024 November, just before the election. Check what was the average price, okay, of that coin, and then analyze how much it has grown till this moment, okay, 3x, 5x, 10x, and then check the all-time high of that coin, okay? So when you're checking the all-time high of that coin, you can see what is the potential. So if a bull happens, it can go back to the all-time high, but check how high is the all-time high. Because if it's a coin that is based on a project that no one is using it, well, the probability of getting all-time high is not so high. But Ripple, for example, is showing that new people are coming into Ripple, and Ripple is literally building utility. So Ripple is gonna build infrastructure and utility. So Ripple will reach and surpass the all-time high of 3.4. But then other ones, yeah, it can go 3 to 5, but always take profit. So if you're thinking, okay, what will happen if these coins do a 2x from this point? Take profit. That will be the advice. What happens, Francisco, if the coin just goes 5x and I miss that? Well, most people lose money because they believe that coins will grow forever. That's the problem of people. That's another bias. And it's the FOMO, the fear of missing out. So my advice for you, dear Jose, is don't fall into FOMO. Have a really established goal. So for example, if you're putting $1,000 right now, distribute that into the portfolio. So if you're gonna put XRP, Mana, Sandbox, HBAR, Cardano, whatever, the coins that people hate, or the coins that have shown that they have grown but they have not reached the all-time high. And then as soon as they reach a specific period, sell a fraction. So let's say you're gonna sell 50% of that or 20%, but be very clear. And when it's reached, sell that. And my advice, put that money into Bitcoin. Because the good thing about Bitcoin is that even if it goes down again, it will just keep going up. And that's the strategy. So that's what a lot of people that have been in crypto do. Yeah. They put money on new coins, on coins that have a lot of potential, and then the profits, they put it into Bitcoin. Some people are putting those onto Ethereum. And now I will add Solana into the equation. So those are the top 3 that you should do it. So the process is establish a goal, build a portfolio, establish a goal, take profits, and put those profits into the top 3 coins. In that way, it doesn't matter if the market just goes down or if the bull is not too high as everyone expected, you will be safe. Because in investment, the most important thing is to earn money. So thank you. Let me know in the comments below what is your opinion. But I wanted to show Jose what is a nice strategy and how to do it. Thank you.